any God you want. That doesn't sound so right.
Christian, ma'am? We're Christian. We believe in offering and tithing. All you have to do is pay your monthly fee and give us your soul.
Oh, I like my soul. Thanks.
You're really beautiful. During campus ministry, you go looking at Jesus' power.
Back off. Oops.
Join my ministry of Jesus! Look at Jesus!
Okay. I'm so confused right now. None of these ministries seem right for me. I just want a ministry that's passionate, a ministry that's pure. Where will I find one like that? Hey, why don't you join our ministry? It's called KCCC, and we're all really passionate and dedicated to serving Jesus Christ. And we're 100% shady-free. That sounds great.
No! Don't join them! They're just a bunch of crazy Christians! Man, I can't even pronounce their group name. Don't join them.
KCCC, huh? Could you tell me what you're naming? Sure. position. It's not going to take away from my college life. It's going to add to it. I wonder what God will use me for this year.
Exactly, Alice. I'm really happy that you're